I am working for 18 years. I worked at production sites, and then for last 7 years I am working product procurement manager. It's one of the biggest company in Turkey. Produce steel construction machines, heavy industry machines, something like that. Provides heavy construction machines, tower cranes, concrete pumps, crushing machines, concrete machines. Also, last 10 years, it started to make some special products for defense industry.
Okay.
I think solution provider. Being the best company in Turkey, it must be like this, I think.
Okay.
And making special works to industry or to people, customers. Our main production is steel products. But in our truck projects, we need engines, axles, transmissions, completely driveline systems. We have research departments. The engineers are searching companies all over the world, from internet or maybe some exhibitions. Maybe they meet and find some companies. Best price. Best price is first things about China products. But it must be quality. And it has the products has to have qualities. We start to work with IMAC when we start to produce truck projects. I think it's nearly more than 5 years. At the moment, just engines. But in the future, we are in contact with SINOMAC Group people. According to our requirements, we will get contact with you about complete the driveline system, I think. Quality is good. Instead of this, it has best price. And why not? We choose SINOMAC. We are happy and we are in a good feelings to work with you. You know, we are just buying an engine, but when we improve these products, just like axles, transmissions, maybe we need some extra works with you, or good prices, good services, after sales, just like. If they ask to some question about your products, why not? We will advise them your products. IMAC shows or presents complete solution for projects, for engines, for completely driveline systems, or about other products. Their group has helpful people, helpful workers. We are happy to work with them. They are always replying us. They are trying to make solutions to our problems.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact SINOMAC at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.sinomac.com.